In today's video, I'll teach you how to change date of birth on PayPal. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in paypal.com. Press enter. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here PayPal has been opened. So in the PayPal itself, you'll not be able to find the settings for changing the date of birth. In order to do that, you'll have to contact the support. So what you have to do is scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find various options. Click on this option, contact us, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the contact us interface of PayPal. You'll be able to find various methods from which you'll be able to contact them. Right over here, if you scroll down at bottom, you'll be able to see the recommended options for contacting them. If you click on the option message us, you'll only be able to message the PayPal assistant. You'll not be able to contact the customer service itself. So in this case, the only option available is call us. So click on this option, call us, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to make a call to the PayPal. You'll also be able to see the customer service hours over here. Now tell them that you want to update your date of birth. They might ask you for the valid identity proof. In that case, you can provide the passport, national ID, etc. After you do that, your date of birth will be changed by them. So like this, you'll be able to change the date of birth by contacting the customer support. So that is how you change date of birth on PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.